My dear friend, prayerful blessings for the new year. Do you want to know how I dedicate my new year? I dedicate my new year to Jesus through Mary. On the new year, I celebrate the Mass of Mary, the Mother of God, during which I connect with the Universal Church in asking for the intercession of Mary, the Mother of God, the one that interceded for those who had no wine. We know that Jesus answered her requests, bringing about the first miracle Jesus ever performed, even though it wasn't his time to go public yet. I ask Mary to play that role for me as well as throughout the course of the year. She does. I unite with you today, asking the Lord to provide for you all that you need for the course of the new year. Happy New Year. God love you. God bless you.